This week we will learn about hills. Are there hills where you live? What do you know about hills? What animals live on hills? How can people have fun on hills? We will learn some new words and skills before we read so we can find out all about hills. This week, our high-frequency words, our first high-frequency word is after. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. After. After. We like to eat dessert after dinner. Say the word again after me. After. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. A-F-T-E-R. The letter A stands for the short A sound, ah. The letters ER stand for the sounds Blend both syllables with me. A-F-T-E-R. After. Now skywrite the word after. A-F-T-E-R. Try to write it without looking. A-F-T-E-R. Your next word is before. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Before. Before. I brush my teeth before I go to bed. Say the word again after me. Before. Look at the letters in the word. Spell it out loud with me. B-E-F-O-R-E. In this word, the first letter E stands for the short I sound, I. The letters O-R-E stand for the sounds, or. Blend both syllables with me. Before. Before. Now skywrite the word before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Try to write it without looking. B-E-F-O-R-E. Your next word is does. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Does. Does. My brother does his homework in his room. Say the word again after me. Does. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. D-O-E-S. The letter O stands for the sound oo in do, but in the word does, the O stands for the short U sound, ah. The ES ending signals a verb in the present tense. The letters ES stand for the sound Z. Blend with me. D-a-z. Does. Now skywrite the word does. D-O-E-S. Try to write it without looking. D-O-E-S. The next word is don't. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Don't. Don't. We don't have art or music today. Say the word again after me. Don't. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. D-O-N''T. The word don't is called a contraction, a short way to write and say do not. The letter O stands for the sound oo in the word do, but in the word don't, the O stands for the long O sound, O. The apostrophe takes the place of the O in not. Blend with me. D-O-N-T. Don't. Now skywrite the word don't. D-O-N''T. Try to write it without looking. D-O-N''T. Now let's look at our next word. The word is grow. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Grow. Grow. I want to be a truck driver when I grow up. Say the word again after me. Grow. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. G-R-O-W. The letters O-W stand for the long O sound. O. Blend with me. G-R-O. Grow. Now skywrite the word grow. G-R-O-W. Try to write it without looking. G-R-O-W. The next word is into. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Into. Into. He walked into the room. Let's say the word again after me. Into. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. I-N-T-O. The word into is made from two words put together. In and to. The letter I stands for the short I sound, I. The letter O stands for the long U sound, oo. Blend with me. I-N-T-O. Into. Now skywrite the word into. I-N-T-O. Now try to write it without looking. I-N-T-O. The next word is know. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Know. Know. There is no running allowed in the halls. Say the word again after me. Know. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. N-O. The letter O stands for the long O sound, O. Blend with me. N-O. No. Now skywrite the word know. N-O. Try to write it without looking. N-O. Are you ready for the last word? Our last word is wash. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Wash. Wash. Please wash your hands before dinner. Say the word again after me. Wash. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. W-A-S-H. The letter A stands for the short O sound, ah. The letters S-H stand for the sound sh. Blend with me. W-ah-sh. Wash. Now skywrite the word wash. W-A-S-H. Now try to write it without looking. W-A-S-H. Now let's read all the new words we just learned together, starting on the first line. After, before, does, don't, grow, into, know, wash. Great job. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Remember that you know how to blend sounds to say words, so I will say all of the sounds in a word and you blend the sounds to say the word. You can look at the tiles on the screen to help you. Each tile represents one sound in a word. Listen as I do the first one. S, I, p. When I blend s, I, p, I say the word sip. Now blend these sounds to make the second word. S, l, I, p. What's the word? Slip. Okay, now I want you to guess this word. L, I, d. Lid. S, l, I, d. Slid. Op. Top. St. Op. Stop. A. Rain. A. Ran. Sink. Stink. Soon. Spoon. Good job. Stove. I hear two consonant sounds at the beginning of stove. Look at the picture on the screen. This is the word stove. Look at the letters that are underlined at the beginning of the word. I see two consonants at the beginning, S and T. The letters S and T form a consonant blend. In a consonant blend, each letter stands for its own sound, but the sounds are said closely together. Listen. Stove. St. Say the picture name and the S blend with me. Stove. St. Good. The picture on the left side is slide. I hear two consonants at the beginning of slide. Sl. The word slide, the underlined letters are S and L. The letters SL form a consonant blend. Remember that in a consonant blend, each letter stands for its own sound, but the sounds are said closely together. Listen. Slide, sl. Say the picture name and the S blend with me. Slide, sl. The picture on the right is a snail. I hear two consonant sounds at the beginning of snail. Look at the word below the snail, the picture of the snail. I see two consonants at the beginning of snail, S and N. The letters S and N form a consonant blend. Listen. Snail, sn. Say the picture name and S blend with me. Snail, sn. The picture on the left is a spoon. Look at the word below the picture of the spoon. This is the word spoon. Look at the letters that are underlined. I see two consonants, S and P. S and P form a consonant blend. Listen. Spoon, sp. Say the picture name and S blend with me. Spoon, sp. The picture on the right is a swing. I hear there are two consonants at the beginning of the word swing. Look at the word swing. S and W form a consonant blend. Listen. Swing, sw. Say it with me. Swing, sw. The picture on the left is splash. Look at the word underneath of the picture. This is the word splash. Sometimes there are three consonants at the beginning of a word. This blend is formed with three sounds said together very quickly. Listen. Splash, spool. Say the picture name and S blend with me. Splash, spool. Very good. The picture on the right is for straw. This is a straw. I hear three consonant sounds at the beginning of straw. Listen. Straw, stir. Say the picture name and the S blend with me. Straw, stir.